Hi, I am monitor of the computer. You can communicate through me. I look like a television and I also have a screen like television. I also called the visual display unit. You can see what you write and draw on my screen. I am an output device. Hi, I am keyboard of the computer. You can write on the screen of the computer through me. I have many small buttons. These buttons are called keys. They are shown as letter keys, number keys, and symbols. When you press the key on me that appears on the monitor screen, what you enter using me is called data. I am an input device.
Hi, I am mouse. You can add data to the computer through me. I have 2 buttons and a wheel. You have to keep me always on mousepad. When you move me, an arrow moves on the screen. You can use me to choose things on the monitor by pressing my buttons and draw pictures. I am an input device. Hi, I am system unit. I am a part of a computer that consists of many devices like CPU, motherboard, RAM, hard disk, egg. CPU is the most important part of the computer. It is also called as brain of the computer. CPU makes all the parts of the computer work. It also helps to remember things, does calculations, store data. It works on the data we enter into it.
Hi, I'm printer. The computer communicates through me also. I help you to print what you see on the monitor because you can't keep all the things in your mind. You call them as printout. I'm an output device.
Hi, we are speakers. The computer talks to you through us. We are like radio. We give out music and voice. We are output devices.